After a thrilling playoff game, the Falcons and Eagles will kick off the 2018 season. Brad Penner, USA Today Sports. The NFL season will open September 6 with the Super Bowl champion Philadelphia Eagles hosting the Atlanta Falcons, whom they beat in the NFC divisional round last season. The opening weekend features several other intriguing matchups, including Jon Gruden returning to the coaching ranks in a Monday night game between the Oakland Raiders and Los Angeles Rams, and the three Thanksgiving games will include three divisional showdowns: the Chicago Bears at the Detroit Lions, the Washington Redskins at the Dallas Cowboys, and the Atlanta Falcons at the New Orleans Saints. Those were among the highlights of the NFL's Thursday night schedule reveal, an event that has somehow become yet another landmark of the league's 365-day calendar. The NFL is also moving up kickoff time for primetime games, in a move that will delight East Coasters and irritate West Coasters. Monday Night Football will start at 8:15 p.m., 15 minutes earlier. Sunday Night Football will kick off at 8:20, 10 minutes earlier, and Thursday Night Football will begin at 8:20, 5 minutes earlier. Here's a look at each team's schedule, plus one game we're most looking forward to for every team. But first, I'll look at some of the schedule's most intriguing games. Falcons at Eagles, September 6th. The Eagles begin a defense of their Super Bowl title in the NFL's season-opening game. Will it be with Carson Wentz back at quarterback or with reigning Super Bowl MVP Nick Foles still filling in? 49ers at Vikings, Sept. 9. The Vikings made Kirk Cousins the NFL's highest-paid player by signing the free agent quarterback to a guaranteed 3-year, $84 million contract. Cousins' first game comes against the Niners and Jimmy Garoppolo, who signed a 5-year, $137.5 million deal before free agency to remain in San Francisco. Texans at Patriots, September 9. Deshaun Watson probably would have been the NFL's Offensive Rookie of the Year last season if his season hadn't ended early. He returns to try to pick up where he left off. Bengals at Colts, September 9. Andrew Luck once was going to be the NFL's next big thing at quarterback. Will he be back in the lineup on opening day, and, if so, will he once more resemble a franchise quarterback? Patriots at Jaguars, Sept. 16. The rematch of last season's AFC title game comes in Week 2 in Jacksonville. Chargers at Rams, September 23. The fight for LA becomes more than a Chargers marketing slogan. Vikings at Eagles, October 7. Cousins returns to a familiar NFC East site in a high-profile matchup of respective conference favorites. Eagles vs Jaguars in London, October 28. They were two of the league's most surprising success stories last season. Everyone will be waiting to see what each can do for an encore. The NFL gives fans in London a matchup of very attractive teams. Saints at Vikings, October 28. The two teams that produced one of the most memorable endings ever to an NFL playoff game get back together, this time in a Sunday night game. Raiders at Niners, November 1. The off-season roster retooling by the 49ers, with the resigning of Garoppolo and the arrival of Richard Sherman, and the hiring of Jon Gruden as the Raiders coach provides some intrigue to this Thursday night meeting of the Bay Area's teams. Rams at Saints, November 4. They were the two NFC frontrunners that failed to reach the conference championship game last season. There are plenty of reasons to believe they could be back in the Super Bowl chase this season given the Rams' big off-season moves and Drew Brees' decision to remain in New Orleans. Packers at Patriots, November 4. Aaron Rodgers vs Tom Brady. Appreciate it while they're both still at, or near, the tops of their games. Steelers at Jaguars, November 18. The Jaguars ousted the Steelers from last season's AFC playoffs. The Steelers get their chance at a small measure of regular season payback. Vikings at Patriots, December 2. The Vikings added Cousins as the potential final piece to a Super Bowl puzzle. If they actually do get there, perhaps the Patriots would be waiting for them. Eagles at Rams, December 16. It's Wentz vs. Jared Goff as two potential NFC heavyweights square off. Patriots at Steelers, December 16. The NFL's new catch rule means that, this time, the Jesse James play would have been a catch and a touchdown. That comes a bit late for the Steelers. AFC East New England Patriots September 9 vs Houston Texans, 1 p.m., CBS September 16 at Jacksonville Jaguars, 4:25 p.m., CBS September 23 at Detroit Lions, 8:20 p.m. NBC, Sept. 30 vs Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS October 4th vs Indianapolis Colts, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in October 14th vs Kansas City Chiefs, 8:20 p.m., NBC, October 21 at Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., CBS October 29th at Buffalo Bills, 8:15 p.m., ESPN November 4th vs Green Bay Packers, 8:20 p.m., NBC November 11th at Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m., CBS, November 18, by November 25 at New York Jets, 1 p.m., CBS December 2nd vs Minnesota Vikings, 4:25 p.m., FOX December 9th at Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS, December 16 at Pittsburgh Steelers, 4:25 p.m., CBS December 23rd vs Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS December 30th vs New York Jets, 1 p.m., CBS, games we can't wait for. It will be must-see when the Patriots play the Steelers in that December rematch of their 2017 regular season game, won 27-24 by the Pats, and when they face the Jaguars in a September AFC title game replay, won 24-20 by New England. Then there's the aforementioned Green Bay showdown on a Sunday night. We declare a three-way tie. Buffalo Bills September 9th at Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS September 16th vs. Los Angeles Chargers, 1 p.m., CBS September 23rd at Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m., CBS September 30th at Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m., CBS October 7th vs Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m., CBS, October 14 at Houston Texans, 1 p.m., CBS October 21st at Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS October 29th vs New England Patriots, 8:15 p.m., ESPN November 4th vs Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., CBS, November 11 at New York Jets, 1 p.m., CBS November 18th, by November 25th vs Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m., CBS December 2nd at Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS December 9th vs New York Jets, 1 p.m., CBS, December 16 vs Detroit Lions, 1 p.m., FOX December 23rd at New England Patriots, 1 p.m., CBS December 30th vs Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. The Bills promise to be interesting, but we're looking forward to the first matchup against the Patriots, a Monday Night Football home game. Buffalo figures to still be salty over the Kelvin Benjamin touchdown catch that was overturned during the NFL's grade 2017 season of just what is a catch anyway. Miami Dolphins Sept. 9 vs Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m., FOX September 16th at New York Jets, 1 p.m., CBS September 23rd vs Oakland Raiders, 1 p.m., CBS, September 30 at New England Patriots, 1 p.m., CBS October 7th at Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS October 14th vs Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., FOX October 21st vs Detroit Lions, 1 p.m., FOX, October 25 at Houston Texans, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in November 4th vs New York Jets, 1 p.m., CBS November 11th at Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m., CBS November 18th, by November 25 at Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS December 2nd vs Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS December 9th vs New England Patriots, 1 p.m., CBS December 16th at Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m., CBS, December 22 or 23 vs Jacksonville Jaguars, TBD December 30th at Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. The Dolphins haven't been to Lambeau Field since October 2010, a game they won, and they aren't used to the snow. Only 2 of the team's 6 trips to the frozen tundra have been in November or December. This one comes November 11 New York Jets September 10th at Detroit Lions, 7:10 p.m., ESPN September 16th vs Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS September 20th at Cleveland Browns, 8:20 p.m., NFL September 30 at Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m., FOX October 7th vs Denver Broncos, 1 p.m., CBS October 14th vs Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS October 21st vs Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m., FOX, October 28 at Chicago Bears, 1 p.m. CBS November 4th at Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m. CBS November 11th vs Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m. CBS November 18th, by November 25th vs New England Patriots, 1 p.m. CBS, December 2 at Tennessee Titans, 4:05 p.m. CBS December 9th at Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m. CBS December 15th vs Houston Texans, TBD, NFL in December 23rd vs Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m. FOX December 30th at New England Patriots, 1 p.m. CBS, game we can't wait for. The Browns and Jets are both likely to use high draft picks on quarterbacks later this month. Maybe, just maybe, this September primetime showdown will be a marquee matchup of two talented youngsters. AFC North Pittsburgh Steelers September 9th at Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS, September 16 vs Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., CBS September 24th at Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 8:15 p.m., ESPN September 30th vs Baltimore Ravens, 8:20 p.m., NBC October 7th vs Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m., FOX October 14th at Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS October 21st, by October 28th vs Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS November 4th at Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS, November 8 vs Carolina Panthers, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in November 18th at Jacksonville Jaguars, 8:20 p.m., NBC November 25th at Denver Broncos, 4:25 p.m., CBS December 2nd vs Los Angeles Chargers, 1 p.m., CBS December 9th at Oakland Raiders, 8:20 p.m., NBC December 16th vs New England Patriots, 4:25 p.m., CBS December 23rd at New Orleans Saints, 4:25 p.m., CBS, December, Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. The first game against the Bengals, in mid-October, will be emotional after linebacker Ryan Shazier suffered a serious back injury in last season's early December game. Baltimore Ravens September 9th vs Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS September 13th at Cincinnati Bengals, 8:20 p.m., NFL September 23rd vs Denver Broncos, 1 p.m., CBS, September 30 at Pittsburgh Steelers, 8:20 p.m., NBC October 7th at Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS October 14th at Tennessee Titans, 4:25 p.m., CBS October 21st vs New Orleans Saints, 4:05 p.m., FOX, October 28 at Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., CBS November 4th vs Pittsburgh Steelers, 1 p.m., CBS November 11th, by November 18th vs Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS November 25th vs Oakland Raiders, 1 p.m., CBS, December 2 at Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m., CBS December 9th at Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., CBS December 16th vs Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX, December 22 or 23 at Los Angeles Chargers, TBD, December 30 vs Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. The Bengals knocked the Ravens out of the playoffs on a 49-yard pass from Andy Dalton to Tyler Boyd with 44 seconds left on New Year's Eve in Baltimore. The season's first rematch, in Week 2 on the road, should be interesting, even with Vontaze Burfict off serving a 4-game suspension. Cincinnati Bengals September 9 at Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS September 13th vs Baltimore Ravens, 8:20 p.m., NFL September 23rd at Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., CBS September 30th at Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m., CBS October 7th vs Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS October 14th vs Pittsburgh Steelers, 1 p.m., CBS October 21st at Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., CBS October 28th vs Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX, November 4, by November 11 vs New Orleans Saints, 1 p.m., FOX November 18th at Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS November 25th vs Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS December 2nd vs Denver Broncos, 1 p.m., CBS December 9th at Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., CBS December 16th vs. Oakland Raiders, 1 p.m., CBS December 23rd at Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS, December 30 at Pittsburgh Steelers, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. There will be lots of new personnel on the sidelines. Jon Gruden anyone? But you just know, a Bengals-Raiders game will be chippy. That game arrives in mid-December. Cleveland Browns September 9th vs. Pittsburgh Steelers, 1 p.m., CBS September 16th at New Orleans Saints, 1 p.m., FOX September 20th vs. New York Jets, 8:20 p.m., NFL and September 30th at Oakland Raiders, 4:05 p.m. Fox October 7th vs. Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS October 14th vs. Los Angeles Chargers, 1 p.m., CBS, October 21 at Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX October 28th at Pittsburgh Steelers, 1 p.m., CBS November 4th vs. Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., CBS November 11th vs. Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m., FOX, November 18, by November 25 at Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS December 2nd at Houston Texans, 1 p.m., CBS December 9th vs. Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., FOX, December 15 at Denver Broncos, TBD, NFL December 23 vs. Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS December 30th at Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS, games we can't wait for, actually, all of them. Seriously. The Browns have been revamped under General Manager John Dorsey and will continue to overhaul the roster with 17 billion draft picks. The key here is to watch the late season games, as players get used to each other. Are we about to be living in a world in which the Browns show promise? AFC South Jacksonville Jaguars Sept. 9 at New York Giants, 1 p.m., FOX September 16th vs. New England Patriots, 4:25 p.m., CBS September 23rd vs. Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m., CBS September 30th vs. New York Jets, 1 p.m., FOX October 7th at Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., CBS October 14th at Dallas Cowboys, 4:25 p.m., CBS October 21st vs. Houston Texans, 1 p.m., CBS October 28th vs. Philadelphia Eagles, London, 9:30 a.m., NFL on November 4th, by November 11th at Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS November 18th vs. Pittsburgh Steelers, 8:20 p.m., NBC November 25th at Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS, December 2 vs. Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS December 6th at Tennessee Titans, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in December 16th vs. Washington Redskins, 1 p.m., FOX, December 22 or 23 at Miami Dolphins, TBD, December 30 at Houston Texans, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for, the season opening road game against the Giants in East Rutherford, New Jersey. The Tom Cullen Bowl will match a tough defense against a Giants team that was a mess in 2017, could get ugly. Jaguars coach Doug Marrone and executive Tom Cullen, in January. Bob Mack/The Florida Times Union AP, Tennessee Titans September 9th at Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., FOX September 16th vs. Houston Texans, 1 p.m., CBS September 23rd at Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m., CBS September 30th vs. Philadelphia Eagles, 1 p.m., FOX October 7th at Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS October 14th vs. Baltimore Ravens, 4:25 p.m., CBS October 21st at Los Angeles Chargers, London, 9:30 a.m., CBS October 28th, by November 5th at Dallas Cowboys, 8:15 p.m., ESPN November 11th vs. New England Patriots, 1 p.m., CBS November 18th at Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS November 26th at Houston Texans, 8:15 p.m., ESPN December 2nd vs. New York Jets, 4:05 p.m., CBS December 6th vs. Jacksonville Jaguars, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in December 16th at New York Giants, 1 p.m., CBS December 22nd or 23 vs. Washington Redskins, TBD, December 30th vs. Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS, games we can't wait for. The Titans swept the Jaguars last year. Think it'll happen again? They play Week 3 in Jacksonville. Indianapolis Colts September 9th vs Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS September 16th at Washington Redskins, 1 p.m., CBS, September 23 at Philadelphia Eagles, 1 p.m., FOX September 30th vs Houston Texans, 1 p.m., CBS October 4th at New England Patriots, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in October 14th at New York Jets, 1 p.m., CBS, October 21 vs Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS October 28th at Oakland Raiders, 4:05 p.m., CBS November 4th, by November 11th vs Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m., CBS November 18th vs Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m., CBS November 25th vs Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS December 2nd at Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m., CBS December 9th at Houston Texans, 1 p.m., CBS December 16th vs Dallas Cowboys, 1 p.m., FOX December 22nd or 23 vs New York Giants, TBD December 30th at Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. Robert Griffin III is long gone from Washington, set to take on the backup role in Baltimore. Will Andrew Luck, who was taken ahead of RG3 in the 2012 draft, be ready to play when the Colts face the Redskins on Sept. 16? Houston Texans September 9th at New England Patriots, 1 p.m., CBS September 16th at Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m., CBS September 23rd vs New York Giants, 1 p.m., FOX, Sept. 30 at Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS October 7th vs Dallas Cowboys, 8:20 p.m., NBC October 14th vs Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS, October 21 at Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m., CBS October 25th vs Miami Dolphins, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in November 4th at Denver Broncos, 4:05 p.m., CBS November 11th, by November 18th at Washington Redskins, 1 p.m., CBS, November 26 vs Tennessee Titans, 8:15 p.m., ESPN December 2nd vs Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS December 9th vs Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m., CBS, December 15 at New York Jets, TBD, NFL December 23 at Philadelphia Eagles, 1 p.m., CBS December 30th vs Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for, the one in which Deshaun Watson returns from his torn anterior cruciate ligament, barring that, the one in which J.J. Watt returns from his tibial plateau fracture. Houston opens with 2 tough road games. AFC West Kansas City Chiefs September 9 at Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., CBS September 16th at Pittsburgh Steelers, 1 p.m., CBS September 23rd vs San Francisco 49ers, 1 p.m., FOX October 1st at Denver Broncos, 8:15 p.m., ESPN October 7th vs Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m., CBS October 14th at New England Patriots, 8:20 p.m., NBC October 21st vs Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS October 28th vs Denver Broncos, 1 p.m., CBS, November 4 at Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS November 11th vs Arizona Cardinals, 1 p.m., FOX November 19th at Los Angeles Rams, Mexico City, 8:15 p.m., ESPN November 25th, by December 2 at Oakland Raiders, 4:05 p.m., CBS December 9th vs Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS December 13th vs Los Angeles Chargers, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in December 23rd at Seattle Seahawks, 8:20 p.m., NBC December 30th vs Oakland Raiders, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. A good rule of thumb is to never miss a single AFC West game, but some games are more equal than others. For instance, let's see how new starting quarterback Patrick Mahomes fares in his first outing against new Broncos quarterback Case Keenum, on the first Monday of October, in Denver. Los Angeles Chargers September 9th vs Kansas City Chiefs, 4:05 p.m., CBS September 16th at Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS September 23 at Los Angeles Rams, 4:05 p.m., CBS, Sept. 30 vs San Francisco 49ers, 4:05 p.m., CBS October 7 vs Oakland Raiders, 4:05 p.m., CBS October 14 at Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., CBS October 21 vs Tennessee Titans, London, 9:30 a.m., CBS October 28, by November 4 at Seattle Seahawks, 4:05 p.m., CBS November 11 at Oakland Raiders, 4:05 p.m., FOX November 18 vs Denver Broncos, 4:05 p.m., CBS, November 25 vs Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., FOX December 2 at Pittsburgh Steelers, 1 p.m., CBS December 9 vs Cincinnati Bengals, 4:05 p.m., CBS, December 13 at Kansas City Chiefs, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in December 22 or 23 vs Baltimore Ravens, TBD December 30 at Denver Broncos, 4:05 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. The Chargers went on a 6-1 run starting November 19 and just missed out on their first playoff berth since 2013, doomed by a slow start that led to a 9-7 record. Let's see what happens this year against the much-hyped Rams in the battle for LA. 23 Oakland Raiders. New Raiders head coach Jon Gruden. Kirby Lee. USA Today September 10 vs Los Angeles Rams, 10:20 p.m., ESPN September 16 at Denver Broncos, 4:05 p.m., CBS, September 23 at Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS September 30 vs Cleveland Browns, 4:05 p.m., FOX October 7 at Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., CBS October 14 vs Seattle Seahawks, London, 1 p.m., FOX, October 21, by October 28 vs Indianapolis Colts, 4:05 p.m., CBS November 1 at San Francisco 49ers, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in November 11 vs Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., FOX, November 18 at Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., CBS November 25 at Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS December 2 vs Kansas City Chiefs, 4:05 p.m., CBS December 9 vs Pittsburgh Steelers, 8:20 p.m., NBC, December 16 at Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS December 24 vs Denver Broncos, 8:15 p.m., ESPN December 30 at Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. How long until Jon Gruden, who takes over a team that had 2 4-game losing streaks last season, makes his first Chucky face on the sideline? We predict it will happen on a Sunday night in December against the Steelers, whose coach makes some pretty interesting faces of his own. Denver Broncos September 9 vs Seattle Seahawks, 4:05 p.m., FOX September 16 vs Oakland Raiders, 4:05 p.m., CBS September 23 at Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS October 1 vs Kansas City Chiefs, 8:15 p.m., ESPN October 7 at New York Jets, 1 p.m., CBS October 14 vs Los Angeles Rams, 4:05 p.m., FOX October 18 at Arizona Cardinals, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL October 28 at Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., CBS November 4 vs Houston Texans, 4:05 p.m., CBS November 11, by November 18 at Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., CBS November 25 vs Pittsburgh Steelers, 4:25 p.m., CBS, December 2 at Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS December 9 at San Francisco 49ers, 4:05 p.m., CBS December 15 vs Cleveland Browns, TBD, NFL December 24 at Oakland Raiders, 8:15 p.m., ESPN December 30 vs Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., CBS, game we can't wait for. The 5-win Broncos were a punching bag last season and the first game against the Chiefs, with a new quarterback in Patrick Mahomes, on a Monday night, will tell us a lot. NFC East Philadelphia Eagles September 6 vs Atlanta Falcons, 8:20 p.m., NBC September 16 at Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX September 23 vs Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m. FOX, Sept. 30 at Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m. FOX October 7 vs Minnesota Vikings, 4:25 p.m. FOX October 11 at New York Giants, 8:20 p.m. Fox/NFL in October 21 vs Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m. FOX October 28 at Jacksonville Jaguars, London, 9:30 a.m. NFL in November 4 by November 11 vs Dallas Cowboys, 8:20 p.m. NBC, November 18 at New Orleans Saints, 1 p.m. FOX November 25 vs New York Giants, 1 p.m. FOX December 3 vs Washington Redskins, 8:15 p.m. ESPN December 9 at Dallas Cowboys, 4:25 p.m. FOX December 16 at Los Angeles Rams, 8:20 p.m. NBC December 23 vs Houston Texans, 1 p.m. CBS December 30 at Washington Redskins, 1 p.m. FOX games we can't wait for. We're already popping popcorn for the season opener against the Falcons, the team Philly edged, 15-10, in a playoff game in January. Also worth mentioning, that October 7 game against the Vikings, a rematch of the NFC Championship game in which Nick Foles passed for 352 yards and led the Eagles to a 38-7 win. Dallas Cowboys September 9 at Carolina Panthers, 4:25 p.m. FOX September 16 vs New York Giants, 8:20 p.m. NBC September 23 at Seattle Seahawks, 4:25 p.m. FOX September Detroit Lions, 1 p.m. FOX October 7 at Houston Texans, 8:20 p.m. NBC October 14 vs Jacksonville Jaguars, 4:25 p.m. CBS October 21 at Washington Redskins, 4:25 p.m. CBS October 28 by November 5 vs Tennessee Titans, 8:15 p.m. CBS November 11 at Philadelphia Eagles, 8:20 p.m. NBC November 18 at Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m. FOX November 22 vs Washington Redskins, Thanksgiving, 4:30 p.m. FOX November 29 vs New Orleans Saints, 8:20 p.m. Fox/NFL in December 9 vs Philadelphia Eagles, 4:25 p.m. FOX December 16 at Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m. FOX December 23 vs Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m. FOX December 30 at New York Giants, 1 p.m. FOX game we can't wait for. We're not picky. If Dez Bryant winds up on an NFC East team, we're there for that. Washington Redskins September 9 at Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m. FOX September 16 vs Indianapolis Colts, 1 p.m. CBS September 23 vs Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m. FOX September 30 by October 8 at New Orleans Saints, 8:15 p.m. ESPN October 14 vs Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m. FOX October 21 vs Dallas Cowboys, 4:25 p.m. CBS October 28 at New York Giants, 1 p.m. FOX November 4 vs Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m. FOX November 11 at Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m. FOX November 18 vs Houston Texans, 1 p.m. CBS November 22 at Dallas Cowboys, Thanksgiving, 4:30 p.m. FOX December 3 at Philadelphia Eagles, 8:15 p.m. ESPN December 9 vs New York Giants, 1 p.m. FOX December 16 at Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m. FOX December 22 or 23 at Tennessee Titans, TBD, December 30 vs Philadelphia Eagles, 1 p.m. FOX game we can't wait for. Alex Smith has his work cut out for him against some of these defenses. We're interested in seeing how he does in New Orleans, against a team that narrowly missed advancing to the NFC Championship game. The Saints helped doom Washington's 2017 season with an improbable comeback win at home. This time they'll play on a Monday night. New York Giants September 9 vs Jacksonville Jaguars, 1 p.m. FOX September 16 at Dallas Cowboys, 8:20 p.m. NBC September 23 at Houston Texans, 1 p.m. FOX September 30 vs New Orleans Saints, 4:25 p.m., CBS, October 7 at Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., FOX October 11th vs Philadelphia Eagles, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in October 22nd at Atlanta Falcons, 8:15 p.m., ESPN October 28th vs Washington Redskins, 1 p.m., FOX, November 4, by November 12 at San Francisco 49ers, 8:15 p.m., ESPN November 18th vs Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX November 25th at Philadelphia Eagles, 1 p.m., FOX December 2nd vs Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., FOX December 9th at Washington Redskins, 1 p.m., FOX December 16th vs Tennessee Titans, 1 p.m., CBS December 22nd or 23 at Indianapolis Colts, TBD December 30th vs Dallas Cowboys, 1 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for, Velp, the Giants figure to be a work in progress, what with a new coach and a revamped roster, and this schedule doesn't hold out much hope, but Eli Manning did have his two biggest days of the 2017 season against the Eagles, passing for 366 and 434 yards. Their first meeting comes on the second Thursday of October. NFC North Minnesota Vikings Anthony Barr hits Aaron Rodgers. Adam Betcher/Getty Images September 9th vs San Francisco 49ers, 1 p.m., FOX September 16th at Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m., FOX, Sept. 23 vs Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., CBS September 27th at Los Angeles Rams, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in October 7th at Philadelphia Eagles, 4:25 p.m., FOX October 14th vs Arizona Cardinals, 1 p.m., FOX October 21st at New York Jets, 1 p.m., FOX October 28th vs New Orleans Saints, 8:20 p.m., NBC November 4th vs Detroit Lions, 1 p.m., FOX, November 11, by November 18 at Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., NBC November 25th vs Green Bay Packers, 8:20 p.m., NBC December 2nd at New England Patriots, 4:25 p.m., FOX, December 10 at Seattle Seahawks, Moan, 8:15 p.m., ESPN December 16th vs Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., CBS December 23rd at Detroit Lions, 1 p.m., FOX December 30th vs Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for. There's much to draw attention to the Vikings, but we'll take the first meeting with the Packers, on the season's second Sunday. Aaron Rodgers figures to be healthy and he did not hide his disgust for the tackle by Anthony Barr that left him with a broken collarbone and derailed what looked like it might have been an MVP season last October. Detroit Lions September 10th vs New York Jets, Moan, 7:10 p.m., ESPN September 16th at San Francisco 49ers, 4:05 p.m., FOX September 23rd vs New England Patriots, 8:20 p.m. NBC, Sept. 30 at Dallas Cowboys, 1 p.m., FOX October 7th vs Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m., FOX October 14th, by October 21st and Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m., FOX, October 28 vs Seattle Seahawks, 1 p.m., FOX November 4th at Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m., FOX November 11th at Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., FOX November 18th vs Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., FOX, November 22 vs Chicago Bears, Thanksgiving, 12:30 p.m., CBS December 2nd vs Los Angeles Rams, 1 p.m., FOX December 9th at Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., FOX, December 16 at Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m., FOX December 23rd vs Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m., FOX December 30th at Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for. The questions don't so much surround the Lions' offense as they do the team's defense. What will Matt Patricia, the team's new head coach, do with this group? Let's see how the gang fares against New England, where Patricia formerly served as defensive coordinator. They play on Sept. 23, a Sunday night. Green Bay Packers September 9th vs Chicago Bears, 8:20 p.m., NBC September 16th vs Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m., FOX, September 23 at Washington Redskins, 1 p.m. FOX September 30th vs Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m. CBS October 7th at Detroit Lions, 1 p.m. FOX October 15th vs San Francisco 49ers, 8:15 p.m. ESPN, October 21, by October 28 at Los Angeles Rams, 4:25 p.m. FOX November 4th at New England Patriots, 8:20 p.m. NBC November 11th vs Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m. CBS, November 15 at Seattle Seahawks, 8:20 p.m. Fox/NFL and November 25th at Minnesota Vikings, 8:20 p.m. FOX December 2nd vs Arizona Cardinals, 1 p.m. FOX December 9th vs Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m. FOX December 16 at Chicago Bears, 1 p.m. FOX December 23rd at New York Jets, 1 p.m. FOX December 30th vs Detroit Lions, 1 p.m. FOX game we can't wait for, Rams vs Packers in LA? Sure, but see also the Vikings, above. Chicago Bears September 9th at Green Bay Packers, 8:20 p.m. NBC September 17th vs Seattle Seahawks, 8:15 p.m. ESPN September 23rd at Arizona Cardinals, 4:25 p.m. FOX September Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m. FOX October 7th, by October 14th at Miami Dolphins, 1 p.m. FOX October 21st vs New England Patriots, 1 p.m. CBS October 28 vs New York Jets, 1 p.m. CBS November 4th at Buffalo Bills, 1 p.m. FOX November 11th vs Detroit Lions, 1 p.m. FOX November 18th vs Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m. FOX November 22 at Detroit Lions, Thanksgiving, 12:30 p.m. CBS December 2nd at New York Giants, 1 p.m. FOX December 9th vs Los Angeles Rams, 1 p.m. FOX December 16th vs Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m. FOX December 23rd at San Francisco 49ers, 4:05 p.m. FOX December 30th at Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m. FOX game we can't wait for. We'll see how much Mitchell Trubisky has grown against the fearsome Vikings defense. They play twice in the season's last 7 games, including in the December 30th finale. NFC South New Orleans Saints September 9th vs Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m. FOX Sept. 18 vs Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m. FOX September 23rd at Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m. FOX September 30th at New York Giants, 4:25 p.m. CBS October 8th vs Washington Redskins, 8:15 p.m. ESPN October 14th, by October 21st at Baltimore Ravens, 4:05 p.m. FOX October 28th at Minnesota Vikings, 8:20 p.m. NBC November 4th vs Los Angeles Rams, 4:25 p.m. FOX November 11 at Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m. FOX November 18th vs Philadelphia Eagles, 1 p.m. FOX November 22nd vs Atlanta Falcons, Thanksgiving, 8:20 p.m. NBC November 29 at Dallas Cowboys, 8:20 p.m. Fox/NFL and December 9th at Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m. FOX December 17th at Carolina Panthers, 8:15 p.m. ESPN December 23rd vs Pittsburgh Steelers, 4:25 p.m. CBS December 30th vs Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m. FOX game we can't wait for. From the Saints' perspective, the game to watch is the playoff rematch against the Vikings, in Minnesota, on the last Sunday night of October. In that unforgettable playoff game, Drew Brees had a classic second half, completing 17 of 22 passes for 177 yards with 3 touchdowns. The Saints' season ended in a heartbreaking 29-24 loss that came on Stefon Diggs' fantastic buzzer-beater touchdown. Carolina Panthers September 9th vs Dallas Cowboys, 4:25 p.m. FOX, September 16 at Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m. FOX September 23rd vs Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m. CBS September 30th, by October 7th vs New York Giants, 1 p.m. FOX October 14th at Washington Redskins, 1 p.m. FOX October 21 at Philadelphia Eagles, 1 p.m., FOX October 28 vs Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS November 4 vs Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX, November 8 at Pittsburgh Steelers, 8:20 p.m. Fox/NFL in November 18 at Detroit Lions, 1 p.m., FOX November 25 vs Seattle Seahawks, 1 p.m., FOX December 2 at Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX, December 9 at Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., FOX December 17 vs New Orleans Saints, 8:15 p.m., ESPN December 23 vs Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m., FOX December 30 at New Orleans Saints, 1 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for. Pretty much every matchup in the league's black and blue division is must-see, but we'll take the Thursday night game in Pittsburgh, just because. Atlanta Falcons September 6 at Philadelphia Eagles, 8:20 p.m., NBC September 16 vs Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., FOX September 23 vs New Orleans Saints, 1 p.m., FOX, Sept. 30 vs Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., CBS October 7 at Pittsburgh Steelers, 1 p.m., FOX October 14 vs Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX October 22 vs New York Giants, 8:15 p.m., ESPN October 28, by November 4 at Washington Redskins, 1 p.m., FOX November 11 at Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., FOX November 18 vs Dallas Cowboys, 1 p.m., FOX, November 22 at New Orleans Saints, Thanksgiving, 8:20 p.m., NBC December 2 vs Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., CBS December 9 at Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m., FOX December 16 vs Arizona Cardinals, 1 p.m., FOX December 23 at Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., FOX December 30 at Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for. See Eagles, above, the very first game of the season. Tampa Bay Buccaneers September 9 at New Orleans Saints, 1 p.m., FOX September 16 vs Philadelphia Eagles, 1 p.m., FOX September 24 vs Pittsburgh Steelers, 8:15 p.m., ESPN, September 30 at Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., FOX October 7, by October 14 at Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m., FOX October 21 vs Cleveland Browns, 1 p.m., FOX October 28 at Cincinnati Bengals, 1 p.m., FOX, November 4 at Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., FOX November 11 vs Washington Redskins, 1 p.m., FOX November 18 at New York Giants, 1 p.m., FOX November 25 vs San Francisco 49ers, 1 p.m., FOX December 2 vs Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., FOX December 9 vs New Orleans Saints, 1 p.m., FOX December 16 at Baltimore Ravens, 1 p.m., FOX, December 23 at Dallas Cowboys, 1 p.m., FOX December 30 vs Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for. The Bucs played a lot of close games last season, and lost many of them. Maybe the game against the Browns on October 21 bears watching. Maybe. NFC West Los Angeles Rams September 10 at Oakland Raiders, 10:20 p.m., ESPN September 16 vs Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., FOX September 23 vs Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., CBS September 27 vs Minnesota Vikings, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL in October 7 at Seattle Seahawks, 4:05 p.m., FOX, October 14 at Denver Broncos, 4:05 p.m., FOX October 21 at San Francisco 49ers, 8:20 p.m., NBC October 28 vs Green Bay Packers, 4:25 p.m., FOX November 4 at New Orleans Saints, 4:25 p.m., FOX, November 11 vs Seattle Seahawks, 4:25 p.m., CBS November 19 vs Kansas City Chiefs, Mexico City, 8:15 p.m., ESPN November 25, by December 2 at Detroit Lions, 1 p.m., FOX, December 9 at Chicago Bears, 1 p.m., FOX December 16 vs Philadelphia Eagles, 8:20 p.m., NBC December 23 at Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., FOX December 30th vs San Francisco 49ers, 4:05 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for, the battle for LA supremacy, on September 23 Seattle Seahawks September 9th at Denver Broncos, 4:05 p.m., FOX September 17th at Chicago Bears, 8:15 p.m., ESPN September 23rd vs Dallas Cowboys, 4:25 p.m., FOX, September 30 at Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., FOX October 7th vs Los Angeles Rams, 4:05 p.m., FOX October 14th at Oakland Raiders, London, 1 p.m., FOX October 21st, by October 28 and Detroit Lions, 1 p.m., FOX November 4th vs Los Angeles Chargers, 4 p.m., CBS November 11th at Los Angeles Rams, 4:25 p.m., CBS November 15th vs Green Bay Packers, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL November 25 at Carolina Panthers, 1 p.m., FOX December 2nd vs San Francisco 49ers, 8:20 p.m., NBC December 10th vs Minnesota Vikings, 8:15 p.m., ESPN December 16th at San Francisco 49ers, 4:05 p.m., FOX, December 23 vs Kansas City Chiefs, 8:20 p.m., NBC December 30th vs Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for, the Legion of Boom is bust. Is there any oomph left in the 49ers rivalry? They'll play twice in 3 weeks, starting with a primetime meeting on December 2. Arizona Cardinals September 9th vs Washington Redskins, 4:05 p.m., FOX September 16th at Los Angeles Rams, 4:05 p.m., FOX September 23rd vs Chicago Bears, 4:05 p.m., FOX, September, Seattle Seahawks, 4:05 p.m., FOX October 7th at San Francisco 49ers, 4:05 p.m., FOX October 14th at Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m., FOX October 18th vs Denver Broncos, 8:20 p.m. Fox/NFL October 28 vs San Francisco 49ers, 4:05 p.m., FOX November 4th, by November 11th at Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., FOX November 18th vs Oakland Raiders, 4:05 p.m., CBS, November 25 at Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., FOX December 2nd at Green Bay Packers, 1 p.m., FOX December 9th vs Detroit Lions, 4:05 p.m. FOX, December 16 at Atlanta Falcons, 1 p.m., FOX December 23rd vs Los Angeles Rams, 4:05 p.m., FOX December 30th at Seattle Seahawks, 4:05 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for. Let's see how they fare against the Rams, who figure to rule the division. Their first meeting comes in Southern California on September 16. San Francisco 49ers September 9th at Minnesota Vikings, 1 p.m., FOX September 16th vs Detroit Lions, 4:05 p.m., FOX September 23rd at Kansas City Chiefs, 1 p.m., FOX, September 30 at Los Angeles Chargers, 4:05 p.m., CBS October 7th vs Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., FOX October 15th at Green Bay Packers, 8:15 p.m., ESPN October 21st vs Los Angeles Rams, 8:20 p.m., NBC, October 28 and Arizona Cardinals, 4:05 p.m., FOX November 1st vs Oakland Raiders, 8:20 p.m., Fox/NFL November 12th vs New York Giants, 8:15 p.m., ESPN November 18th, by November 25 at Tampa Bay Buccaneers, 1 p.m., FOX December 2nd at Seattle Seahawks, 8:20 p.m., NBC December 9th vs Denver Broncos, 4:05 p.m., CBS December 16th vs Seattle Seahawks, 4:05 p.m., FOX December 23rd vs Chicago Bears, 4:05 p.m., FOX December 30th at Los Angeles Rams, 4:05 p.m., FOX, game we can't wait for. San Francisco's Jimmy Garoppolo, the Patriots' former backup QB, gets to face Detroit's Matt Patricia, the Patriots' former defensive coordinator. Both men have gotten nice promotions. They'll play in the season's second week. Read more from the Post. NFL hit with age discrimination lawsuit filed by former security personnel thanks to the internet. Tom Brady had a very stormy day. Adidas is interested in signing Colin Kaepernick. If he signs with NFL team Dez Bryant isn't elite anymore but could help the right team.